Welcome to Bike Future, your go-to channel for the latest and most exciting updates in the world of motorcycles. Today, we are diving into a thrilling release, the 2025 Yamaha RX125. Yamaha has always been known for crafting motorcycles that offer a perfect balance of performance, style, and reliability, and the RX125 is no exception. So, let's explore what makes the 2025 Yamaha RX125 a standout in its class. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Yamaha RX125 showcases a design that effortlessly blends modernity with Yamaha's classic styling. The bike's sharp lines and aggressive stance give it a sporty, yet sophisticated look. The front features an updated LED headlamp, which not only enhances visibility but also adds a futuristic touch. The bodywork is streamlined, contributing to better aerodynamics and a more aggressive profile. Its new color schemes are bold, ensuring it catches attention wherever it goes. Whether you're cruising around the city or hitting the highways, the RX125's aesthetics make it impossible to ignore. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Yamaha RX125 is powered by a 125 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that is designed for a perfect mix of performance and fuel efficiency. With improvements in engine tuning, it now offers more power and torque, making it agile in both urban traffic and open roads. The bike promises a smooth ride, thanks to its refined gearbox and excellent throttle response. Yamaha's engineering ensures that the RX125 maintains an optimal balance between fun performance and everyday usability, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned riders. Handling and comfort. When it comes to handling, the 2025 RX125 doesn't disappoint. Its lightweight frame and responsive suspension system allow for excellent maneuverability, whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising on long stretches. The rear and front disc brakes offer exceptional stopping power, making it safe and reliable in all conditions. The comfort level is also impressive, with a well-padded seat and ergonomically designed handlebars, ensuring a smooth ride even on longer journeys. Technology and features. Yamaha has equipped the RX125 with some exciting tech features. The bike comes with an updated digital instrument cluster that provides essential information such as speed, fuel level, and trip data. Additionally, it features Yamaha's Smart Start system, which ensures smoother ignition with minimal effort. For safety, the bike is integrated with an anti-lock braking system, ABS, providing better control during sudden stops. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha RX125 is a remarkable motorcycle that hits all the right notes: stunning design, impressive performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a commuter or an enthusiast, this bike is sure to exceed your expectations. If you're in the market for a 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle, the RX125 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Future.